You don't need a teacher. You don't need a partner. You don't even need to leave your room. Today, I'll show you how to practice English at home, and it really works. Hello my dear friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm very happy to see you again. Today, I want to share something very useful with you. Many people ask me the same question again and again. How can I practice English at home? Some people believe it is not possible. But that is not true at all. You can practice English very easily at home. You do not need a speaking partner. You do not need to go outside. You can learn English right in your own room. In this video, I will share some very simple and effective ways to practice English at home. So please watch till the end. Learning English at home is not difficult. You only need two things, time and interest. If you practice a little every day, you will improve faster. Always remember this. Small practice every day is better than long practice once a week. When English becomes part of your daily life, learning feels easy and enjoyable. The first method is self-talk. Talk to yourself in English. Say out loud what you are doing. For example, I am cooking. I am cleaning my room. I am watching a movie. This simple habit can greatly improve your confidence and fluency. These small sentences help your brain start thinking in English. At first, it may feel strange or even a little funny. That is completely normal. Don't worry, this method really works. If you practice like this every day, your confidence will grow. Slowly, you will begin to speak faster and more naturally. The second method is listening practice. Try to listen to English every day. You can watch YouTube videos, listen to podcasts, or enjoy English songs. Do not worry if you don't understand everything. Just keep listening. Over time, your ears will get used to the sounds of English. Day by day, you will understand more and more. You can also repeat the words and sentences you hear. This helps improve your pronunciation. Try listening to different accents, such as American or British English. This will help you understand people from different countries. The third method is reading. Read something in English every day. It can be a short story, a simple article, or even text messages on your phone. Try to read aloud. Reading aloud is very helpful for speaking. It trains your mouth and tongue to move correctly. Reading also helps you learn new words, sentence patterns, and ideas. The fourth method is writing practice. Write a few sentences every day. Write about your daily life. For example, today, I woke up early. This small habit can make a big difference in your English. For example, you can write, I went for a walk. I studied English today. This kind of simple writing helps you remember new words and make correct sentences. You can also keep a small English diary. Write your thoughts, plans, or dreams in English. This will slowly make your English stronger. The fifth method is watch and repeat. Watch short English videos. Listen carefully to the speaker. Then repeat what they say. Try to copy their pronunciation and speaking style. Pause the video and speak one sentence at a time. This practice will help you sound more natural and confident. Now, remember one very important thing: do not be afraid of mistakes. Making mistakes is normal. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. Each mistake teaches you something new. So never stop practicing. Every mistake makes you better and stronger. Another helpful idea is to create a daily routine. Give just 30 minutes every day to English. 10 minutes for listening. 10 minutes for reading. 10 minutes for speaking or writing. You can also use English while doing daily activities. Think in English when you cook, walk, or travel. This keeps your mind active with English throughout the day. Learning English is like planting a tree. You must water it every day. Slowly, the tree grows strong. English is the same. At first, you may not see big changes. But after a few weeks, you will feel a big difference. So start today. Practice at home. Listen, speak, read, and write every day. Soon, you will speak English with confidence and ease. Now you know how to practice English at home. You do not need a classroom or a teacher. You only need time, focus, and daily practice. Never stop learning. Practice every day. Practice is the key to success. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple English learning videos. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about practicing a little every day. You don't need a classroom. You don't need a teacher. You only need time, focus, and daily practice. Start today, not tomorrow. Speak a little. Listen a little. Read a little. Write a little. Small steps every day create big results. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with someone who is learning English, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful English lessons. Thank you for watching and keep practicing.